Hi guys, we're back. I'm Pappy and this is...
Yeah.
And Pappy's just masked the plane for him. He's masked over the previously painted RLM 75 Grau Violet. And we're now going to use an RLM 74 Grau Grün by Model Master. My favourite paints for brush painting and airbrushing. They're really good. And here's the plane all masked up. And Graham's going to paint in between the masking. I'll show you some photographs of this now with the masking in place, so you can take a look at those. So first we shake the bottle, make sure it's nicely mixed. Give that a good shake, see if you can shake it. That's it. Wow. I think that's all done by now. Okay, so Pappy will take the lid off for you.
When I shake things, my muscles get bigger.
Do they? Shaking makes your muscles grow.
Yeah.
Alright, we're just going to put a bit onto the palette. In there. And we're going to put some water with it. Stir it round and round. This is a good colour, look. Cool grey green colour. It's oh wicked. What do you think?
Good.
Alright then. You ready to paint?
Yeah.
Okay, everywhere you see that's black on here, we're going to paint. So there's the brush and paint that way like Pappy showed you. There you go. Let's see if you're on the camera. Yeah, we can see you on the camera. Cool. Don't be scared to press on all.
I'm not scared.
No, to use a bit of pressure. Let me just hold it up. Press down like that. Get the pressure so it goes on. There you go. See how nice that looks now because you used a bit of pressure. So you might need a little bit more paint on your brush. That's it. Wicked. Well, there we go. We've got one wing painted, we've got the horizontal stabilizers painted, we've just got this wing to do and some of the fuselage on the top. So we're going to let you go for now. We don't want to bore you watching this, and we'll come back when it's painted. See you soon. Say bye.
Bye.
So we're back, the paint dried, and Pappy removed the masking tape, and this is what she's looking like. Wow. And I'll show you some pictures in the corner there. Just there. So you can see it more clearly against a white background. What do you think?
Wicked.
Wicked, eh? So what Pappy's going to do is going to mask the tail because it has a white rudder. And then on the underside of the fuselage, lower fuselage, it's yellow. So I'm just going to mask that. And then we'll come back and Graham will paint the yellow nose and the white rudder. We'll see them soon.
Hey, Pappy, I can see you right now.
You can see me in the camera.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hi guys, we're back. So Pappy's masked the rudder area. Just keep the rudder exposed for the white paint. And I've masked the front of the underside of the fuselage, and that's going to be painted yellow. I've got some white mixed ready to go, and Graham's going to paint white on this rudder. So here you go, Graham. This blue area on the tail there is where you're going to paint white.
This is going to look wicked.
There, look. Just there. Alright then. So there we go, we've got some white paint on the rudder now. So we're going to mix some yellow. We've got some yellow there. And he's going to do the underside. So rinse your brush out. Let's shake the yellow. Let Pappy take the brush for you. Okay, I'm going to get some water on this. More water. I hope we're not boring you while we're just doing this, but we're ready to go. There we go. So you're going to paint the white, the yellow in this area that's blue now. So you put your brush there and brush back. So okay, let's let that dry a little bit and then we'll put a second coat on. Because yellow and white always need a second coat, they dry patch you. So we've got the first coat on, we're just going to switch off and come back with a second coat. So see you soon. Okay guys, we're back. We've taken the masking tape off and the rudder is painted white and the front underside fuselage is painted yellow. There's some photographs in the corner. And here's the model. Yellow under the fuselage. And a white rudder. Oh, looking cool, eh? So what we're going to do now is we're going to put the mottling down the side. We're going to use a little stubby end brush. We're going to start with the green, RLM 74. And I'm just going to show Graham what to do and then he can do the rest. So we're going to use some of this green, like that, and we're going to do what's called dry brushing. And what dry brushing is, we rub off most of the excess, and then on here, on this blue, we're just going to do that, just touch the end of the brush on like that, and make some spots.
Why? So it can be wicked?
Yeah, because these planes have what's called mottling. Take the excess off. Just do that. So you can do this side. Get a bit of paint on there for you. You see what Pappy's done there, look.
Yeah.
And he's made those spots. And that's what you're going to do now on this side, underneath the green area from there to there. So just push the end of the brush on quickly, just quickly do it and pull away. That's it. That's it, just up here on the blue. That's it. Okay, wicked. So we've not finished the mottling, but you can see what Graham just did. Pappy did a little bit on that side. That's not finished. Graham has to do that. So we're going to carry on with this, and we're just going to cut you off, guys, until Graham's done there. We're going to use some of the purple grey as well, and we're going to do the sides up to the tail as well in front of the rudder. You ready? We're going to finish this?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll be back in a minute. Bye. Hi guys, we're back. We've finished the mottling. And here we are. I'm going to show pictures in the corner. There it is. There's the mottling, both sides. Enjoy looking at the pictures. So what we're going to do next, Graham, we're going to put a gloss clear coat on it, and then we can put all the what on? All the stickers, the decals. So that's it for this week. Graham has to go home, so next time he's here we'll put on the stickers and then do the final assembly, and it'll all be done. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed the Pappy and Graham show. Build with Pappy show.
Hey, Pappy.
Bye from Pappy and bye from
Graham.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.